Welcome to a place where ambition meets opportunity and growth knows no bounds. At Access Bank, your journey starts from the moment you walk through our doors.
Our onboarding sessions are more than just activities conducted on your first day. They are the foundation of your success here at Access. We help you get through every step, helping you get familiar with our culture, our core values, and with your new team.
From orientation to mentorship, we ensure you're set up for success from day one.
We believe in continuous learning and development. Our leadership programs and training opportunities are designed to help you grow personally and professionally.
At Access, your career is a journey of growth with clear paths for progression, promotions, and collaboration. There's no ceiling to how far you can go.
Time to spread your wings and fly. Reach for the sky.
Every day is a new opportunity to make an impact. Whether you're collaborating on a project, leading a team, or helping a customer, our dynamic and inclusive environment is where you can thrive. Your career at Access is more than a job. It's a story of growth, leadership, and impact, where your dreams grow bigger than you ever imagined.